Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. What we'll be doing here, guys, we'll apply to Ford Edge and Lincoln MKX. As you know, both of the vehicles share the same platform, same engines, guys, so it will apply to both of the vehicles. Now, if you guys have a code such as P1289, guys, and you may get a few extra codes as well, we'll have the links. We have actually more in the description of the video below, check it out. But if you have any of those codes or just code P1289, stay with us and we'll explain, guys, what causes that and how to fix it. Quick introduction: every single car we get at the shop, including this generation Ford Edge and Lincoln MKX, we make at least 200 videos. Why? Simply because our mission here at the shop is to save you guys as much money as we can. All we need, guys, in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Hopefully you will find the information helpful. Now, guys, if you need to buy the scanner that we're using, replacement parts, tools, anything like that, check out the link in the description of the video below, guys. It's there for your convenience. So let me go here now and show you guys, okay, what we have. This is a 2009 Ford Edge that we're working on, but it's the same for Lincoln MKX. As I said, they share the same platform, same generation, guys. So same engine, same drivetrain. Now, if you come right here, guys, underneath, you'll find somewhere your OBD port. Connect the scanner to the OBD port. Okay, pretty simple. Next, guys, what we're going to do, okay, I want to show you quick. We'll explain now what could happen. You will notice, guys, that if you have that code, you will notice your radiator fan will be on all the time. So, okay, as you can see, we started like that. It shows us temperature gauge. Okay, check it out. It shows the temperature, and now all of a sudden it's going to drop. You're going to notice that in a second. Now, if we go back, okay, here we click, okay, to scan the system. It's going to decode everything, guys, connect to the car computer, and I want to show you guys what we'll have here. Okay. Now we'll click read codes, and I always check pending codes and stored codes, both of them at the same time. Code that we have, P1289, cylinder head temp sensor. Okay, cylinder head temp sensor. You can see circuit high input. Now check out what happens, guys. I will start the car. I want to show you what will happen. Now the gauge will drop. Okay, check it out. Now I'm not doing anything. Engine light is on. Gauge dropped, guys. Now what is happening after that? Let's open the hood. Okay, and I will show you guys. Radiator fan will be stuck on all the time, and we'll explain why. So as you can see, radiator fan is on, guys. I will go ahead, turn the car off. Okay, let me turn the car off and we'll explain, guys, okay, what is causing that. Now, if, guys, you have, okay, let's open the hood again, okay, so I can show you. If you guys have malfunction somewhere in the the system that detects how hot your coolant is, what will happen? It will automatically activate the radiator fan on. Why? Simply, guys, okay, simply due to the fact that it doesn't want you to overheat your car, guys. So that's why. Now we have the hood open, okay, perfect, supported, everything. And if you look at it now, guys, okay, on that Ford Edge right here, if you look at it, you have any of the codes, guys. Now this is bank 2, bank 1 is back there. Between the two cylinder heads, guys, you have one sensor, okay, that wire right there. This is, guys, the coolant temperature sensor for the cylinder heads. Now it's installed back there, and the only way down there, guys, and the only way to remove and replace it, you have to remove the upper intake, lower intake. We have the video on the channel that explains everything from start to finish, how to remove and replace coolant temperature sensors. Check it out, guys. Now with that sensor, guys, okay, being bad or not connected here or broken wire, guys, check out the connector. It will activate the radiator fan, and the radiator fan will be stuck on all the time because of that bad sensor. We'll go ahead and replace ours, guys. If you want to see the video from start to finish, it's on the channel, check it out. And we'll show you guys, okay, we had one that was actually broken, so let me show you on another Ford Edge. They're super easy to break, so when you get them tight, don't over tighten them. So we'll show you guys what it looks like. Okay, this is the coolant temperature sensor on that Ford Edge or Lincoln MKX. Check it out, it's broken, guys, because it's very thin. So we'll go ahead and replace this one as well, and we'll see if that takes care of the problem now. So we installed a new sensor. I'll go inside now and I want to see, okay, if that will take care of the problem, guys. Hopefully it does. So now let me grab the key. What I'll do first, I'll clear the codes. That will be the first step, guys. First step to clear the codes, go back. Okay. Let me actually, okay, I want to show you again. That's the code that we hit. Okay, P1289, guys. P1289. So we'll go back. Erase codes. Now, guys. Okay, I want to show you. We'll go ahead, start the car. And I want to show you how the radiator fan will not be on. Temperature is showing, this is great. So let's go ahead now and see, okay, if the radiator fan is working. So listen now. Fan is not running, guys, so that definitely takes care of the problem. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.